Are you ready to discover the ultimate secret to finding those who are eagerly seeking what you have to offer? In this video, we're about to unveil the essential steps to finding your target audience, the key that unlocks your ability to connect with people who are actively looking for the solutions that you provide. We're going to guide you through the transformative process of defining your niche, conducting market research, and creating a customer avatar that represents your ideal audience to perfection. This is your chance to make an impact like never before. Let's go. Welcome back to our channel. My name is James Finale, and we help digital mentors just like you transform their knowledge into a profitable digital business. Now, that feat can only happen when you begin reaching the right audience with your message and your offers. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the process of finding your target audience, the key to connecting with those who truly need and want what you have to offer. Get ready to discover valuable insights on creating your own customer avatar, finding out exactly where they're hanging out, and how you can find some potentially massive opportunities for creating new offers that specifically solve your ideal client's problems. See, one of the biggest challenges that we see with people starting out in the knowledge industry, or even those who have hit a plateau in their business, is not being crystal clear on who they are serving. But with a little time and research, we can figure out exactly who would want what we have to offer and how we can tailor our offerings to better meet our ideal clients' needs. We're going to start with defining our niche. See, many people believe that they have to serve everyone and help everyone, but that's an impossible task and it muddies up your message. The truth is, the more specific you are, the more impact you can make. The old adage is true: if you're trying to speak to everyone, you are speaking to no one. This is why we want to define our niche. Defining your niche is a critical step in finding your target audience. It involves identifying the specific area within your industry where you can offer your unique value, your unique voice. By narrowing down your focus, you can position yourself as an expert in a specific niche and attract an audience that aligns perfectly with your message. Let me give you an example. Let's say that we're in the health and wellness industry. Now, it's probably pretty difficult to market to every single person that wants to be healthy. But what if we focused on people that wanted to lose weight? Now, that's still a pretty massive amount of people. But what if we narrowed it down to busy professionals? Even further, what if we narrowed it down specifically to busy professionals who want to adopt a plant-based diet for improved health and vitality? Now we have someone specific in mind. And now all of our marketing efforts, all of our social media posts, our emails, our content, our courses, everything can be targeted to that specific niche. Now, once we've determined our niche, we need to get crystal clear on who actually makes up this niche, who is part of this niche. We want to nail down who our target audience is. See, when building a digital mentorship business, identifying your target audience is crucial to your success. Your content, your services, your marketing strategies, all of it rely on this simple foundation. Understanding your target audience is like talking to a friend. You need to know their preferences, their challenges, their goals. This familiarity, it builds trust, which is essential for successful businesses. One effective way to identify your target audience and effectively communicate with them is by creating what we call a customer avatar. A customer avatar is a fictional representation of your ideal customer, the person you want to attract, the person you want to serve and connect with through your digital mentor business. Think of a customer avatar as a detailed profile that goes beyond just your basic demographics like age and gender. It encompasses their interests, their values, their goals, their challenges, and aspirations. Creating a customer avatar allows you to get inside the mind of your ideal customer and understand their motivations, desires, and pain points on an even deeper level. Creating a customer avatar involves dissecting two essential elements: demographics and what we call psychographics. These components provide you with a comprehensive picture of your audience, and they enable you to tailor your services to meet their specific needs and desires. So go ahead and grab a sheet of paper or open a Google Doc and let's do some brainstorming. We're gonna start with the demographics. Demographics are the statistical data that we use to describe our outward characteristics of our audience. It's the basic information about your audience, and it's essential for segmenting and targeting with your content. Here's what you wanna get clear on with your demographics. Number one, age. What is the age range of individuals that you wanna serve? Very important. Number two is gender. Does your content resonate more with a particular gender, or is it just gender neutral? Education level. What level of education does your audience possess? Does your content cater to a particular educational background, or should it? Income level. What is the average income level of your target audience? How does this affect their buying power for what you have to offer and your services? Occupation. Are you targeting professionals in a specific field? Now, once we figured out the demographics of your target audience, we need to move on to the next critical piece of information, which is the psychographics of your avatar. So go ahead and complete the demographics section of your customer avatar, and then we're gonna continue along. See, the psychographics of your avatar, these are the inner characteristics such as personality, values, attitudes, interests, and lifestyle. This information helps you understand why they make the choices that they do. These might take a little bit longer for you to nail down, but do not skip this part. Sit with it for a while if you have to. Brainstorm these attributes that we're going to cover here. Number one, very important, values and beliefs. Values represent the core beliefs and principles that guide someone's decisions and their behaviors. Understanding your customer avatar's values helps you align your messaging and your offerings with what they truly hold important. For example, with the avatar of a busy professional looking to adopt a plant-based lifestyle, they probably value convenience and time efficiency. We can emphasize the streamlined and efficient aspects of our products and services. We can showcase how our offerings save time and simplify processes and make their lives easier, allowing them to focus on what matters most to them. The next attribute we want to talk about is lifestyle. Lifestyle refers to the way people live their lives, including their habits and interests and their daily routines. By understanding your customer avatar's lifestyle, you can tailor your content and offerings to align with their preferences. If your audience values a healthy and active lifestyle, you can create content that promotes fitness or provide meal plans that cater to their dietary choices. Number three is goals and aspirations. Knowing your customer avatar's goals and aspirations allows you to position your products and services as the way to help them achieve those desired outcomes. If your audience aspires to become financially independent, you can offer courses or coaching programs that teach them how to build a successful online business. And number four, very, very critical, their pain points and challenges. Identifying the pain points and challenges of your customer avatar, it helps you develop solutions that address their specific needs. By understanding their frustrations and obstacles, you can create content that provide guidance and support and practical strategies and solutions to overcome those challenges. Now, once you've nailed down these attributes, go ahead and give your avatar a name. This avatar will be the driving force behind everything that you create, from your content to your marketing efforts. Remember, the more you understand your customer avatar, the better you can tailor your messaging and offerings to meet their specific needs. And I want to give you an example of how this made a massive impact for what is now a household brand name, LuLuLemon. See, instead of going into the gauntlet with other sports tech behemoths like Nike and Adidas, LuLuLemon decided to niche down within that massive space, combining the functionality of workout clothing and premium look and feel of streetwear. So LuLuLemon created Ocean, their ideal client customer avatar. Who is Ocean? Well, Ocean is a 32-year-old professional single woman who makes around $100,000 a year. She's engaged, she has her own condo, she loves traveling, she's fashionable, and has about an hour and a half to work out every single day. And then everything they created was built for Ocean, and this allowed them to skyrocket their sales and brand awareness as they could serve this niche, this Ocean, better than anyone in the industry. Now, for those of you who are still wanting to help and serve everyone, here's something else to think about. Just by marketing to Ocean, LuLuLemon was able to serve an even broader audience because, as LuLuLemon founder Chip Wilson explained, if you're 20 years old or you're graduating from university, you can't wait to be that person. You can't wait to be Ocean. And if you're 42 years old with a couple of children, you wish you had that time back. Now, once you've created this avatar, you can dive even deeper into the conversation your audience is having by leveraging social media, finding groups and areas where they hang out online. Join forums and look at websites like Quora to see what types of questions they have, what kind of problems they are facing. What is the conversation that is going on within your niche? This is where you can find even more opportunities to serve your audience and create valuable offers that would solve their specific problems. Creating a customer avatar is so critical when building a digital business that it's actually the first step in our framework here at Digital Mentors. In fact, we've even trained our internal AI assistant, Jax, to help with this process, and the results our clients have seen are tremendous. So as you go through this process, consider leveraging AI to generate ideas and uncover attributes you've never even thought of before. Remember, understanding and connecting with your target audience is the foundation of a successful digital mentorship business. By defining your niche and creating a customer avatar and immersing yourself in their world, you'll be on a path to making a powerful, powerful impact. We are Digital Mentors. Remember to smash that like button and go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Remember to turn on those notifications for even more valuable content just like this. We'd love to hear what you're thinking. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts and experiences with creating your own customer avatar. And as always, keep sharing your knowledge and making a difference in the world. We'll see you in the next video.